Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, the plumbing apprentices, the trade. They're off today. So I'm on my own. And today, we're on foot. We got a job up the terrace. We have a leak in the ceiling, I believe. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Here's what we got. A little leak in the ceiling. So we just ran the shower. Matter of fact, we'll do it again, Mike. How's that?
All right.
Yeah, run the shower. We got a small leak. You just stop, Mike. It's coming right through. Alright. That's going to be the first fix. We'll tighten that up. Oh, wow.
Could be original.
Oh, really? No, it's not, because it's all PVC with a Fernco in there. Unless you didn't change this and you left this in here.
I can't see why we would have left that.
Yeah, because it's a plastic overflow. I'm surprised these screws are rusty though, you know what I mean? See how loose the plate is?
Yeah.
See it bouncing out?
Yeah.
Alright. And the rubber looks good. This is where the rubber meets the road. This is when you stick to carpentry. But I think this is like maybe a Home Depot waste and overflow or something.
Could be.
Or an off-brand, because this screw is all rusted. It's kind of weird. Oh, you're missing the plate, dude. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, hold on, man. Hold on. Uh-oh. Let's clean this up. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that gunk. That's all soap. That's all soap. See this metal plate?
Yeah.
That's actually on wrong. You a rag? Alright. I'm going to try and save this plate, Mike.
Alright.
Oh, this is what happens when you're not a plumber. Alright. This plate here actually goes across. And it's not. It's actually in the wrong spot. And I knew I could save this thing. But we got the vanity in the way. Not good. I should have brought my gloves up, man. Right on. Thank you. I can't even see the screw head. Right there. Yeah, so I don't know. Guess what, dude? I'm gonna have to. I can't get that off, dude. No way. Oh, maybe this one. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We just brought this screw back to life. Alright.
Is there a plate on there?
Yeah, there's a metal plate that actually goes on the outside of the tub, which actually secures the overflow tube. And then the plate.
It comes in, goes inside the tub?
Yeah. So you actually have metal between the rubber and the tub, which would leak on a good flush. There it is. Alright, that's one. Alright, cross your fingers. We're going to get the second one.
Get this one now.
Alright, baby. You carve it out a little bit. Come on, baby. You just want to get in there. Oh, there it is. Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. See the plate moving?
Mm-hmm. You guys have to loosen the plate, correct?
Yeah, don't lose the plate. Don't lose the plate, Chuck.
Oh, that plate comes on this side.
Yeah. Maybe we can do some magic here. A little magic. Because the rubber actually looks good back there. Alright, now. Oh, plate's broken.
It's broke?
Yeah. Well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the plate out. Now I can get a good spot against the tub at least. I don't know if I have another plate in the shop. You know what? I might have one in the shop. Let's go look. Let me see something here, baby. I know I can get that off of there. Let's see.
Oh, you're trying to put that gasket on there?
Against all odds plumbing, this is the gasket. That joker couldn't stop nothing. So we're going to put a new gasket in. I don't have the little face plate, but under these conditions, we're going to make it work. I'm going to, what do you call it? Get skinny? Let me get skinny right here. I'm liking that. Now that's still leaked. Even if I had the plate. Alright. Fat end down. Let's do this joker. Oh.
You want me to hold the other side or no?
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to reach right around here. There we go. It's on. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Now. Now, to me, it's a little high. Another problem. That rubber's not hitting up top. Let me loosen this back here a little bit. Hopefully it'll drop in a little bit. Let's see something. Oh yeah. No, we get it. I like that, Mike. Alright, let's do something with this plate here. That's all soap, man. This used to be a brass. That's why I turned, Mike.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't buy the right brass, you're going to get this result right here. It turns.
Well, it wasn't hooked up right in the first place.
Nah, I'm talking about the color. You know what I mean?
Oh.
I can see what you're trying to do here. So anyway, you got to tell Mom we're dropping this plate down to where it belongs. But you're not going to have no more leak. And these screws will hold against that rubber, so I'm not worried about that. Stay right there, Daddy. Don't move. Don't move. this whole thing's coming apart on you, dude. All the covering came off the brass. You know? Huh? That plate just sits there. They don't even do nothing. You'd be splash, man. Alright, here we go. We're trying to save from getting this vanity taken out, and I think we got it.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, still coming.
Still coming?
Let me tighten her up. Hold on. Hold on.
I can push, can
Yes. Try again or?
Yeah. Alright, you ready? Let's do this joker. If this leaks again, then I'll get the right plate. But for tonight, we're gonna be good.
Let's see.
Uh-huh. I like that.
Water's on there right now.
Alright.
That means direct hit.
Alright. Ain't leaking no more.
Fountain.
I'll tell you what, stop. Let me get a tissue. We'll wipe it down. Just a double check.
That was a direct flow of water.
Right there. Tissue.
Come on.
That's good. I'll dry it and then we'll do it again. Alright, baby. Alright, let her rip.
Direct hit.
Direct hit. Oldest trick in the book. Simulating the body splash. Alright, we're good. You know, I never did tighten this up though. Let me do this right here. We'll do it one more time, Mike.
All right. Ready?
Yep. We just scored a touchdown with this access. Vanity removal averted. Let me throw this back on here, dude. Super lucky.
Yeah, when I saw that where that door was, at one time it was accessible.
Right.
And I think then I changed this thing out. But
You put
remember
a big-
I told you
you-
loose button? The button was up high.
Uh-huh.
The diverter it was. It wasn't on the spout.
Oh, okay.
And every time the button would get like hung up,
Right.
and after they were done with the shower, the button would get hung out up.
So I see you had a fern coat down the trap too, man. I'll tell you, one day it's going to happen. We're going to do everything down there.
Change it all out.
Yeah, dude. Could probably do it from the heater room.
Yeah, so it's the best bit.
The magic camera here. See that? Did we get her done?
You got it done.
And there goes another satisfied customer.
Love it, Chuck.
Now we all know what's going to happen there. We're going to be back there. We're going to end up taking the vanity out, replacing the faucets, replacing the waste and overflow. The tailpiece in the waste and overflow was connected by a Fernco. I don't know if you can see that. And then the trap would have to be done from the ceiling down below where I showed you the little leak in the ceiling. So for now, they can shower without getting a drip in the laundry room, but in the long haul, it's going to need some attention. But we got her done, as you saw. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.